Is your bathroom or kitchen stuck in the 80s, 90s, early 2000s, or all of the above? You know the one. Outdated fixtures, builder grade everything. The vanity that's been on your someday list for years. Here's the thing. A remodeling project doesn't have to be the overwhelming months long ordeal people picture. When it's planned well and managed by someone who actually cares, it can be smooth, exciting, and finished before you know it. At Senivas, we specialize in helping Northern New Jersey homeowners finally make that change without the stress, the delays, or the surprises. We're currently booking projects for the summer. If you like to get a feel for what your remodel might involve, scope, timeline, ballpark investment, we offer a free, no obligation virtual consultation. At Senivas, we made it our job to make the process as smooth as the finished tile. Northern New Jersey homeowners, your someday is closer than you think.